In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect steering wheel to my summer car. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up any steering wheel that you have. As long as you are able to connect it to your PC, you will be able to use it to play My Summer Car. So in order to set up any steering wheel, first connect it to the available ports on your PC. So usually this will be done by connecting it to a USB port. And this will work for any steering wheel model, so just plug it in accordingly with the wheel and the pedals if needed. Now, depending on the brand or the manufacturer of your steering wheel, it is also recommended to download their software. So for Logitech steering wheels, which are a very popular choice, you will have to download the Logitech G Hub. In here, you will be able to download the latest drivers available for your steering wheel alongside controlling various different aspects like force feedback, sensitivity, operating range, and so on. You will be able to calibrate your steering wheel to make sure that it is working and that you will get the best experience possible. You can let this program run minimized on the background, and while it is running, all that you have to do now is run My Summer Car. When you get inside of the game, as long as you connected your steering wheel to any of the available USB ports on your PC, it will be detected and you will be able to use it. So whenever you go into these settings, you will be able to change various different options related to the steering wheel, just like you did with the software, and you will be able to control everything. Of course, as an example, I showed the Logitech G Hub software, but if you have a different steering wheel from other manufacturers like Thrustmaster, you just download the drivers from their software or app website instead of Logitech's. And any steering wheel will work as long as it is from a reputable brand and you open it while you will have the steering wheel connected to your PC. It is easy to set up and any of them will work for you to control the game. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect steering wheel to My Summer Car. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.